Is it possible to have a DWI enhanced charge reduced to a lesser offense? Attorney Brian Geno says, yes, it is possible to do that. Anytime you represent someone on a case where there are enhancements, then obviously you've done your client a big favor by getting some of the enhancements reduced. How you do that is either disprove the case in trial, that's the straightforward way, or you can negotiate it away with the prosecution. So if you get the government to agree that it wasn't a recent second DWI, but it was an older second DWI, knowing full well that it really was a newer one, then you've just negotiated a big benefit for your client. They don't have to do a whole year without a license. They don't have to have a mandatory 30 days in jail, and it's a little bit less. The same thing goes for enhancements. If you have a person who is charged with an enhanced BAC level and you get them to consider it less than 0.15, you have cut off a lot of the penalties. The same goes for if you have a refusal. If you can get the court to drop the refusal and you'll take the DWI, then you've just allowed your client to drive during the next year as opposed to having to walk, and that's oftentimes a big factor. You try to look for alternatives like taking some classes, participating in community service, getting a drug and alcohol screening and evaluation, or getting therapy. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Brian Geno in Fairfax, Virginia at 703-691-4366 or visit him on the web at www.genolaw.com.